Is Nutrivora Oil of Oregano really the miracle supplement it claims to be, or is it just another overhyped product cashing in on health trends? With bold promises to balance yeast levels, improve gut health, fight candida and fungus naturally, and support digestion, energy, and overall well-being, it definitely sounds impressive on paper. But once you look past the marketing, some serious concerns start to surface. For one, there's no verified proof of lab testing or third-party quality assurance, which raises questions about the safety and consistency of the formula. In an age where transparency matters more than ever, the absence of proper testing documentation is a major red flag. Then there are the so-called media mentions when checked. Many appear to be completely fake or misleading, using logos of big-name publications without actual coverage. The product's presence online is aggressively marketed, often using pressure tactics and urgency-based language that makes it feel more like a sales trap than a genuine wellness recommendation. On top of that, the claims about its benefits seem greatly exaggerated, with little scientific backing provided to support such bold statements. And when it comes to user reviews, many appear too polished, repetitive, or overly positive to be entirely trustworthy, suggesting they may be paid or fake. While oregano oil itself has been known for certain traditional medicinal uses, the way Nutrivora presents its supplement raises more suspicion than confidence. In the end, this doesn't seem like a flat-out scam, but it also doesn't live up to the level of trust and transparency expected from a high-quality health product. For anyone considering it, a healthy dose of skepticism is more than justified.